Question 35. 1 1/4 take away a third. Now the first thing to notice here, we haven't got common denominators. We've got quarters and thirds. We need to make those into common denominators. So we're going to turn a quarter and a third into another pair of fractions with common denominators. Now the question is, what number can both 4 and 3 both go into? And an easy one, there are other answers. You could take 24, 4 and 3 both go into 24, but an even smaller number than that, if you times the 4 and 3 together, you get 12. And 4 and 3 both go into 12. So we're going to make the common denominator 12ths. Now when you're finding the common denominator, what you must do is put an arrow connecting both fractions, like that, so both new fractions, and you must decide what you've had to do to change those denominators. So if you change the 4 into 12, that's times by 3. But you can't just do that to the denominator, you must do it to the top number as well. So 1 times 3 is 3. So that's 3/12. So a quarter is 3/12. But with a third, it's not going to be times 3. Because 3 times 3 is not 12. It's actually going to be 3 times 4 on this side. So 3 times 4 is 12. So you've got to do the same to the top number. 1 times 4 is 4. So a third is actually the same as 4/12. Let's go back to the question. So we've got 3/12 take away 4/12. Now we can't actually do this because 3/12 is smaller than 4/12, so we can't take 4/12 off it. But remember, it wasn't just 1 1/4. It wasn't just a quarter, it was 1 whole 1 1/4. So we can't forget about this whole one here, so we need to drop this whole one down. So instead of just 3/12, it's actually 1 whole 1 and 3/12. Now the easiest thing to do first, if you're taking away 4/12, is to knock your 3/12 off. So if you do 1 and 3/12, take away just the 3/12, you would just be left with 1 whole 1. Okay? So if we take 3/12 of this off, we're left with just 1 whole 1. But we've only taken 3/12 off, so we need to take 1 more 12 off. So it's going to be 1 whole 1, take away 1 more 12. Well, a whole 1, don't forget, is 12/12. So it's like saying 12/12, take away 1 more 12. And that's like saying 12 apples, take away 1 apple. 12 apples, take away 1 apple would be 11 apples. So 12/12, take away 1 12 will be 11/12. And that is your final answer, 11/12.